are you doing? Why?
Okay, guys, I bought this train set today I bought this at Model Train. Well, my dad bought this at Model Trains with the train gate logo on it, but it's in Oregon. But it comes with a nice train set with DC sound. And here I have it.
We have
here.
a controller.
Yeah, I'm gonna put this on the tracks for you guys to see. So this is, I believe, hold on. So this locomotive right here is a F7-A diesel locomotive with operating headlight with DC power equipped.
This place isn't really clean.
And whatever.
But we do have trains.
And it comes with it won't focus, so I'm just gonna read it. Comes with the Link East and West, PT and W boxcar. Can open the sides here. Don't cover them up with it. And then we got, I believe this is an oil tanker.
Yes.
Carbide and argon. Chemicals? I think. And then it also comes with this Santa Fe caboose in the back.
What?
So here we got the F7-A locomotive. Looking nice. I'm gonna put it on the track. So the front of it is my favorite.
Yeah,
On the
it's
side,
my favorite too.
it says Santa Fe there. We got the back here. One day I'll come out with a tutorial on this in Minecraft.
Yes, he will.
And the other side, we got the roof.
You can do it when this video's over, right?
Yeah, and the bottom. So now we're gonna take a look at the boxcar.
I'm so happy.
So we got the same thing that a boxcar would have here. And we got the oil cars at the bottom. Things there.
Oh my god.
And the caboose. Yeah. So now I'm gonna set this up and ride it, and you guys will see it.
Scary?
No.
Scary.
Okay, so this is how I put my trains on here. So I grab a train and I put it on this flat part and I just move it around and then until I hear something. And then I can get my controller here. Hear that? Let's ride it.
Take the bounce. Ding, 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 ding. What does 10 do?
It's cool. 10 turns off the lights. But anyways, gonna stop that there and put the boxcar on. And I will see you when I got all the cars
That
on.
is so
Awesome. Okay, now that I'm done here, I'm gonna press this. And I'm gonna go reverse. And sorry, this is a little loud. So I'm gonna see it here.
it's going.
It's moving, so I'm gonna keep an eye on the couplers here because I'm gonna see if it couples up. Okay, are we all coupled up? I think we are, so
Go, 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 go.
ready?
What do these two do?
Okay, 1 is the bell, 2 is the long horn that never ends, 3 is the short horn, 4 does nothing, 5 does nothing, 6 does nothing, 7 dims the light of the train, 8 mutes it, and 9 does nothing, and 10 turns on the light and turns off the light. So that lets you know how it works. I'm gonna drive it around.
Why would 9 do nothing?
I don't know. It says that it's supposed.
How did you make it go fast? Is it this or this?
This is reverse and this is forward.
Stop, it says stop.
No, it doesn't. No, watch how slow it takes for me to slow it down. Ready?
So that's slow.
That took a long time for it to slow down. Now if I speed it up and I stop it, it's gonna go even faster. Watch this. Stops immediately. Okay,
Yes,
so
it
that's
stops
pretty much it on
immediately.
how it works and where it is. And I'll see you. I'm gonna be playing with this for a while, but I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Can I play with this? I wanted to. Oh.